It is the last day of Ramadan, the Islamic month of fasting, and we are closing out the week with the story of a Pakistani chef and his all-halal restaurant. It is called Saab, and it's bringing Pakistani street food to fine dining. The restaurant is also completely non-alcoholic, but it does have a very unique bar. Our very own Jolene Kent paid a visit.
I think hands down, Pakistani food is one of the best food that you can have.
Pakistani chef Ali Muki may be a little biased. At 17, he left behind a comfortable lifestyle in Karachi as the son of a banker who was skeptical that food was Muki's future.
I grew up having, drivers at home, maids at home, cooks at home. Everything was given on a plate to us.
After moving to the U.S., Muki trained for years under Indian chefs.
You don't see as many Pakistani restaurants. So what are the core elements of Pakistani cuisine?
Obviously our spices, right? We have more diversity of spices than Indian food, right? Because we play with meat. Even with our lentils, we use meat.
But his heart was drawn to home.
We kind of decided that I think it's time to say what our culture is, what our food is, not as an Indian food. So that's how we decided to open Saab.
Saab in Orange County opened in 2020. It evokes cart food on a busy street corner in Karachi, brought to an elevated plate.
So the first thing, it's pani puri. We basically call this dish a palate opener. Once you pour the water into the puff pastry and take one bite, and you will have the explosion of the spices. So let's try it.
Let's try it.
And one bite.
Cheers. Is it citrus? What is it? It's so incredible.
So there's about 16 spices that goes into the water.
16?
16 spices.
All right, chef, what are we making today?
So we're making a chicken karai because we want the tomatoes and the chicken to cook together.
The idea of serving the chicken in this wok is to do what exactly? What's the goal?
That's a traditional way to serve it because you want to see that rusty, smoky flavor to it.
Order up. Your menu's fully halal.
Being a Muslim, you're supposed to eat only halal meat, which is Islamically slaughtered animal with the blessing of God, right? Similar to kosher. But we didn't know how to kind of incorporate bar program with halal food.
The answer, a non-alcoholic bar at both Saab and his new restaurant, Shore.
All right, what's up first?
We'll do shots of tequila. They're going to be completely non-alcoholic.
Excellent. Spirit-free tequila is exactly what I'm looking for these days.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's nice.
I mean, the beauty of these drinks are that you can literally drink and drive.
Yes, exactly. Why did you decide to build an entire bar that's spirit-free?
Obviously, being a Muslim, we never get a bar experience. So you get to experience the drinks that normally you can't try.
And there's something unique for any customer used to drinking tap water at the table.
You have a full water bar.
Yes.
People want to try something new.
This is the fanciest bottle at the bar.
This is the fanciest bottle.
We have it for $1,000.
$1,000 bottle of water.
So you're about to try a $1,000 bottle of water.
Yeah. Wow.
It's good.
That's a nice water. Are we going to stay forever young drinking
I hope
this? I hope so.
I don't want to go to the bathroom for 2 days now.
But no drink ends a Pakistani meal better than a piping hot cup of chai.
That's a good chai.
That is excellent.
Muki received the Michelin Bib Gourmand Award for 3 consecutive years. That was enough to make his dad a skeptic no more.
For me, nothing is bigger than bringing my country, my hometown name on top.
For a guy who, growing up, never cooked a meal in his life.
I would say it's a blessing. I'm blessed.
Wow.
He is blessed. Jolene Kent joins us now. Hello, friend. Welcome back from maternity leave.
Thank you, AD.
We're so happy to see you, and little Gwendolyn is just so cute. But let's talk about this piece. The food looked amazing, but what about those drinks? Oh, there's the family photo. What's with the $1,000 bottle of water? Where does that, what?
I didn't even know this existed. A $1,000 bottle of water served at this beautiful non-alcoholic bar at Shore here in Southern California. It comes from Kobe, Japan, and it is a very prestigious source. So there you have it, expensive
I'm going to
water.
start saving my money now. Come for a visit. We'll share one. Jolene, Kent, thank you very much.
Sounds
So glad
good.
to have you back. That does it for us.